So I learned that a mixture of some chia seed and water can act as a substitute for a whole egg. So I said to make this experiment. I don't know whether I was right or wrong. So for this experiment, I measured out 1 tablespoon of chia seed with 3 tablespoons of water, then kept it aside just as the recipe says. Okay. So but while it was resting, I went ahead to make a normal cake that will act as a control for this experiment. For this normal cake, I measured out the egg, and the egg gave me about 58 gram whole. So because the egg it gave me 58, I had to measure out 58 grams of butter, 40 grams of sugar, 58 grams of flour, and almost 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I went ahead and combined everything together. Then I whisk everything together and add just 1 tablespoon of water to it. Then put that inside my baking pan, just a mini baking pan lined with a baking paper, and make sure you grease it too. Now once I was done with that, by that time this one was ready. This chia seed was ready. So the chia seed gave me 46 grams thereabout. So I had to measure 46 grams of the chia seed, which it was what it gave me, 46 grams of, and I also measured out 30 grams of sugar, and also almost 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 46 grams also of margarine or butter. So I went ahead and also combined them together just as I did in the ordinary cake or ordinary cake batter. So once I was done combining that, I also added water, 1 tablespoon of water, just as I did in the other one. So after adding it, I combined it very well. Then I also transferred it into a greased pan lined with a baking paper, and these were what I got. This one is the ordinary cake, and this one is the one for the chia seed. I baked them in my preheated oven at the same temperature, the same timing, and this was what I got. These were what I got. Sorry. So this one is the chia seed. You can see how it came out, and this is the ordinary cake, and you can see how it came out. I don't know if actually there's a special recipe for it. If you want to use it to make a cake, you're not going to follow the exact recipes for a particular cake, but this was my experiment, and this was what I got in the replacement or as a substitute. So I don't know. That was what I learned, and I did this experiment to prove if it's wrong or right.